Welcome aboard this beautiful 2001 Catalina 400 Mark II, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Catalina 400 Mark II, introduced in 2001, is a highly regarded cruising sailboat known for its comfortable and spacious design, solid construction, and strong performance. It's part of Catalina's Yacht's renowned line of mid-sized cruisers, offering a mix of luxury, performance, and ease of handling. The highly sought-after Catalina 400 Mark II features spacious and comfortable accommodations, a large and comfortable cockpit, uncluttered decks, and excellent sailing characteristics, and a walk-through transom. The boat has a modern aesthetic with sleek, functional lines and a sturdy build. It's designed for blue water cruising, but also functions well as a coastal cruiser and is considered a well-balanced and capable cruiser. This vessel has been very well maintained and has had many recent upgrades. At the stern, there's a custom arch and davit system for the dinghy and solar panels. The sugar scoop stern and walk-through transom, complete with folding stainless steel ladder, are perfect for boarding the tender and allow easy access to the boat from the water and from the dock. Stepping on board is easy onto the wide decks, with easy access to the spacious cockpit. One of the strengths of the 400 Mark II is its ease of handling, with a full set of winches located within easy reach from the cockpit and a clean, functional deck. It's designed for short-handed sailing. The inclusion of a dual-purpose helm and simple rigging system aids in making this a boat that can be easily sailed with a couple or even single-handed. The cockpit has multiple seating options on both sides and behind the twin helms. A center console between the helms includes folding table leaves and handrails for safety. The cockpit table provides plenty of room for meals and gathering with friends. There is excellent visibility in all directions from the cockpit. This Catalina is equipped with beautiful twin stainless steel Edson wheels. Mounted in the center console is a Raymarine chart plotter, autopilot controller, engine instruments, and a set of Raymarine sailing instruments. Jib sheets lead back to Lumar 2-speed winches that are in easy reach from the helm. Control lines are led back to cabin top mounted Lumar 2-speed winches on both port and starboard cabin tops. Moving forward, the side decks are wide and have great access from the cockpit, and it is easy to walk around the stays to move forward and move around the deck. The wide, easy-to-operate Traveler adds to the ease of sail trim and sailing this vessel. With a clear and uncluttered deck, it is easy to access the mast. The clear and open foredeck gives easy access to the anchor windlass and anchor chain locker, which are under a flush-fit deck hatch. The companionway is wide and open, and accessing below deck is safe and comfortable. Once below, you are greeted with a warm and inviting interior. The salon is expansive, with plenty of natural light. The main cabin has a central dinette that comfortably seats 6, with a settee to port. The large windows and hatches make it feel airy and open. There are many different areas for storage throughout the salon and the boat, including lockers and bookshelves. To port is a navigation station with storage, power distribution panel, VHF, and Raymarine chart plotter. The efficient gallery has ample counter space for meal preparation, ample storage for food and utensils, and includes a sizable stainless steel double basin sink. There's a 3-burner stove with an oven and a large refrigerator freezer combo with both countertop access and front cabinet door access. Moving forward is the forward cabin that has storage in hanging lockers and shelves. The head is forward and to port and includes full vanity with solid surface counter, sink, toilet, and shower. Moving aft, we enter the bright and open full-beam master cabin. The master cabin offers a centerline queen berth with access from both sides, plenty of storage, and good headroom. The aft cabin also provides private access to the head. The head includes full vanity with solid surface counter, sink, toilet, and a separate walk-in shower. The Yanmar 56 horsepower engine is easily accessed, and the boat is equipped with the next-gen 3.5 kilowatt generator. The 2001 Catalina 400 Mark II is an excellent choice for cruisers looking for a well-rounded, spacious, and comfortable sailing yacht. Its solid construction, ease of handling, and practical design makes it an ideal boat for long-term cruising or living aboard. To book your appointment to view this Catalina 400 Mark II, contact Little Yacht Sales.